Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Hyundai Genesis. Charging your electric Genesis is straightforward once you understand the basics. First, locate your vehicle's charging port, typically on the front or rear fender. Next, ensure you have the correct charging cable. Genesis EVs use a J1772 connector for slower charging and a CCS connector for faster charging. Finally, confirm the charging station is compatible with your Genesis before plugging in. For convenient home charging, you have two main options. Level 1 charging uses a standard 120-volt household outlet, providing about 3 to 5 miles of range per hour. While simple, a full charge can take over 2 days. Level 2 charging, using a 240-volt outlet, is much faster, typically fully charging your Genesis in 7 to 10 hours, making it ideal for overnight charging. When you need to charge quickly on the go, DC fast charging is your best option. Genesis EVs, with their 800-volt architecture, can charge from 10 to 80% in as little as 18 to 22 minutes at a 350-kilowatt station. Always confirm the station's power output and your vehicle's maximum charging capacity for optimal speed. To extend your Genesis EV's battery life, adopt smart charging habits. It is recommended to keep your battery charge between 20 and 80% for daily use, as charging to 100% too often can accelerate degradation. Also, precondition your battery in extreme temperatures to improve charging performance and overall battery health.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.